Welcome back to another video. In this video we start out in Maryland, camp, and then we go to West Virginia, we camp, we hit Union Springs and Flagpole Knob. We met this really cool dude named Tony. He's got this chopped up FJ. I love it. He ended up staying the night with us. Let's get into it. After 5 hours of driving, we have arrived at Green Ridge State Forest and we have picked out our campsite, filled out all the appropriate paperwork and all that stuff, so now we're gonna go find our campsite and get set up for the night. We just got to camp. It's a pretty nice spot. It's nice and open. It's very far off of the dirt road there. There's actually a lot of space behind us, and I think there's a walking trail that comes through here, but we'll see if anyone comes through. I doubt it. We're only here for the night. We got Trey with us this time. He's got a brand new 4Runner, so that's pretty cool. New tires on my truck. I'm running the Wild Peak Falcon AT4Ws now instead of the Mickey Thompsons, so we'll see how they perform tomorrow and Saturday. Brian's got an issue with his sunroof. It's not closing. He opened it earlier because it's like 80-something degrees right now. It moves a little bit, but then it just won't move at all. They're trying to get that situated, so we're just gonna hang out. We're waiting for 2 more rigs to show up tonight. They're gonna be rolling in at like 8:30. I'm gonna get my stuff for dinner ready. Dylan said he's gonna start the fire.
Yeah. I didn't bring it, but...
Brother. Oh.
You got it.
It started. Good old flint and stone right there.
I have turkey sausage, jalapeno turkey sausage. I decided I'm gonna cook it over the fire so I don't have to get anything out tonight. So I have to wait like an hour and a half for Dylan to start a fire. Then I'll be able to eat. We just heard someone coming down the road and we thought it was you guys.
Oh, okay.
It sounded like the surf hitting a hill, but...
Oh.
So they're still like 45 minutes out, so... Yeah, they stopped for Chick-fil-A. Dylan, you always got the works going on, dude.
Oh yeah, we got the works. What do you think about that work?
That's crazy work right there.
Yeah, we got relish. We got hot honey mustard.
Oh.
And some onions.
There you go.
If you want any, help yourself.
I might take you on that hot honey mustard.
Yes, sir.
I brought spicy mustard. I think this time, this is actually them. I think I just heard Zach reefing on his truck. So there's Zach, and then my dad's behind him. So we're gonna get them all set up, situated, and then we're gonna hang out around the fire for the night, talk about our upcoming events for the weekend.
I kept it under 200.
Okay.
So I figured out if I keep it under 900 EGTs and above 2,000 RPM, it's very hard to get it above 200.
I got you. 900, huh? Oh man, I keep mine under 1,200.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just what works.
But right,
so.
I mean the fan is different, and yeah, who knows?
Yeah, it's about 11:20. We just got in from the fire. Went over a little game plan for tomorrow. I will see you guys in the morning. It is morning. It's like 8 something right now. I've been up since 6:40 something. I've just been laying here. It's really comfortable. Birds are chirping. They've been chirping all night, actually. Dylan, what's the name of that bird? The eastern whippoorwillow. Going crazy all night. They actually kept us, well, they kept me up a little bit, so. But yeah, so I'm gonna change, put some shorts on, because it's kind of nice out. Make some breakfast, some coffee, and we're gonna head out, so. Dad's working on the Lexus. His AC didn't work on his way down here, and he didn't think anything of it. He just thought it needed to be recharged, but then when they're pulling in, his aux beam stuff didn't work for his light bar and all that, so he's got some fuses that aren't working, so we're trying to figure out the culprit and why it's not working. No luck.
Nope. They're different. Pretty disappointing. Now I know how Jeep owners feel.
Oh my god. Tire kicker.
You know what I'm chefing right now? Chefing these nuts. You put the water in the pot, and you turn the heat on. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bang. Oh, hash browns today.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Yeah.
We just stopped at Walmart real quick. My dad had to get a fuse for the Lexus. Some of us picked up some beverages. We're gonna be an hour and a half to dirt, and then we're gonna be on dirt from here on out.
Everybody good to go? Yep.
We're gonna air down and then find our campsite and then chill and wait for Jeremiah to show up, and then tomorrow we're gonna do Union Springs and all that stuff. So I'm excited. Well, we made a quick pit stop, and what no better place to stop than Bussy's. Most of us made it out. I got a bucking brisket double XL chopped beef sandwich, and we're waiting for 2 more, but they might have become victims of Buc-ee's. We found camp after all of our driving and some non-planned stuff, but we also got in contact with Jeremiah. He'll be here around 8:45-ish, so that's gonna be really cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna get set up and we'll start making dinner. So we did 155 miles today, that's including highway and dirt, but I'd say we did close to 20 on dirt, I'd say. So right on time, we had a little bit of rain, so we all pulled our awnings out because it wouldn't be a CNY overland trip if it didn't rain. Cutting some limes for Modelo time, just hanging out at this point, just talking.
You know, the triangle right out of it. My finger went inside one of those
Freaking
triangles.
guy.
Just caught the edge.
And it's
Per usual, we got some current rainfall, but I see some blue skies of hope behind us. We just started the fire to make dinner, and now it's just steady rain, so.
Ruben.
We have some egg noodles and tomato soup, pasta with some hot sausage.
Sounds delicious.
It is very delicious. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah. Oh, Dylan, what's for dinner?
I think we're doing steak tonight.
Yeah.
Steak tonight?
I think so. Sounds
We'll see.
Yeah.
Brian, what do you got for dinner?
I don't know, man. We were talking about that. It might be ham and cheese toasty. I'm gonna copy you guys.
Oh. What about you, Zach?
Whatever Dad's cooking.
Yeah. Oh, she's juicy.
Jeremiah's pulling up right now. There he is. What's up? What's going on, man?
What's up, buddy?
How was your trip?
It was great, man.
Give me a hug. How are you?
Doing good, man.
What's up, Sloan?
I'm gonna let her run around. Fuck it.
How are you? Oh,
All right, crazy.
So
all right. Come on.
hey.
Where you at, buddy? How you been, man?
Good, man.
Dude, looking good. Yeah, you look like you put on some size, man. Trey, how you doing,
good,
buddy?
man? Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
That tri.
There it is.
Tri-county or
Good job, chef.
Thanks.
That helps a lot.
We'd get off the trail and it looked like Trey had just gone through the car wash.
Honestly, I followed them through.
I swear to God, I was right behind him.
Such a
You watch the video, and my daughter's like, "What? Did you not go with us?"
Everyone packed in. Everyone's in bed. And I will see you guys in the morning. Oatmeal is for breakfast for me. It is morning. So Sloan's running around. Everyone's making breakfast. We're going to be wheels up at like 9, I think is the plan. So we're going to head over to Union Springs and...
A little hot. What are you excited about today, Tyler? Hitting the trail hard.
Yeah, not breaking my truck.
Same.
I'm making bacon, eggs, and pancakes this morning.
She's making bacon.
How's your shrimp soup cup for breakfast?
It's good.
No?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good choice.
Champion.
I don't know about that, but...
This is the red arc, and right now, look, it's showing that I'm getting solar. Yeah, like that little light's showing that I'm getting solar.
Yeah.
So it is actually powering it up, and everything's wired. You can see all the wires kind of going back to the back. They've got fuses built into both of these. The 40 amp fuse is built into both. So if it pops off, you'll see that switch come up like that.
Oh, okay.
Where I wired this in, I put an extra fuse in this. It's right here.
Okay.
That fuse protects all of it because that's what runs to the back of my truck where I plug everything in at.
Oh.
So I just wanted to make sure there was an extra fuse in it. And that's what I did, but yeah, everything wires right around. This is just a kit I bought. You can see the name of the brand.
That Juniper Overland?
Juniper Overland, that's it.
5 of us to hit Union Springs, and then the other 2, they are going to take the bypass up because they don't want to bang up their trucks. I think the van's capable. Brian doesn't. We could probably get it in there, but they're going to take the bypass and we're going to meet at the top. If it takes us longer than we think, then they're going to go do another trail without us, tell us when they left, whatever, and then when they'd be back. So we'll, you know, meet up with those guys. So hopefully everything works out. I'm excited to do something a little bit more challenging than what we normally do. So I am a little nervous, but I think it'll be good. Fellas are down there, airing down. Dylan and I are up here because we already aired down yesterday. Once they're done, we're gonna get moving and going up.
As long as y'all tell me where to go.
I think it's straight.
Oh yeah.
We're on. We're good to go.
I'm good with that. I like leading the way, and like not knowing what's coming too is kind of fun too. So I'm cool with all that shit.
All right. Yeah, just hop in front. I think we're here.
Now you look like I'm ready. Like I'm used to.
Bang.
Wearing the flip flops, got the toes out. Now,
Dogs are out. I'm ready to rock.
Yeah. Now this is the Dylan I'm used to. Like this is. You're wearing shoes yesterday.
I had white sneakers on. But what's up with this dude?
Yeah. I'm like the Dylan I know. Did something happen?
This ain't him.
Do you need to talk? Like, are you okay? Blink twice if you're in trouble.
What was requested?
A bungee cord
For what?
for the shifter. So I'm assuming there's a gate in here that makes it so you can shift through all this pattern. And I snapped something earlier, and now it won't hold it into, the gate is no longer there to lock it into 4 or 2 low. So I'm going to wrap a bungee cord around here and around that door handle.
Oh, sweet.
So it holds it over. And it works. I can hold it over and I can feel that it's in 4 low, but I'm assuming there's going to be points where I need both hands on the wheel and I'm not going to be able to hold it over. So.
Oh, that's smart. Shit.
We're heading down the trail and he radios in. He's like, before we get to anything super technical, does anyone have a bungee cord? And I was like, what? It's just like a recipe for disaster in my mind. But no, it seems like this will do it, so.
Hey, it's not my fault when I did the transmission.
No, yeah, it's
That's
definitely
all
not.
I know.
This was something that I broke. I felt it. It's always been tight to get down into like 3, 2, and 2 low. And then on this trip, I was struggling just to get it into 3, and I forced it, and now it's super easy to get into all those.
You fixed one problem,
Yeah.
but you created another.
We're taking a break. We're gonna let that thing cool down because we've been climbing for a while, so it's getting pretty warm. Along with the rest of our vehicles, they're probably pretty warm, and we'll keep on keeping on, right? All right, we stopped to take a picture. It's kind of a cool spot. We can line up all of our rigs. It's like a little play area, but I went through that over there, and the mud is like, it's like peanut butter. Look at that. I don't even want to touch it. Jeremiah just touched it. I'm not putting my hand in that. Stuff's nasty. But what do you think so far?
It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah. I think it's one of the best places we've been.
I know. We need more of this in New York.
Yeah. Yeah, it ranks up there at the top.
Yeah,
Can't say it's the best, but
I agree.
close.
I agree.
But up.
Sandbox.
Mud pit fun.
Yeah, this is fun, man. These little things, like I said, if it was raining more, we'd just fuck around in this all day.
Yeah.
Till one of us got. Yeah, yeah. We got winches, we got ropes. We did
Nice. That was smooth.
Yeah.
That's going to be a big rock there. So just when you come off of it, just go off easy. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. All right. Yep, you're coming down it. You're good. Yep, that's it.
Keep it slow. You're about to go off the ledge over here. Yep, looking good.
Nice.
Yep.
Good, bud.
Plenty of space.
Now your back's going to go over those same two. Slow, slow, slow. All right. You're good.
All right, your passenger back tire is going to drop off here in a second. Here it comes.
Is it?
I don't think
Nice
so.
and easy.
4 leaves, not 3.
Yep.
Got it, man. That was good.
Nice.
Good. Straight on, buddy.
Yep, you're good, Zach. You're gonna come right over this big one here. Keep coming, keep going slow. Okay, you're gonna slowly come down. Slow. All right. Now you got this one over at your driver's side, coming down.
Got it. Nice and easy.
Wow, your back tire's off the ground.
Leave it there.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. it's balanced. Oh, sorry, bud. It's balanced. Oh, there it goes.
Slow, slow. There you go.
Keep going slowly, you're almost done.
Slow down the driver's side. Now you got one more. There you go.
Nice.
You're good.
Okay.
You're good. He sent that last one.
Go ahead, Dylan.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep coming straight, Lee. You're good.
Nice and slow.
Yep, keep coming. Yep, driver's side's gonna come down now. Keep coming
Nice.
straight.
Great line.
Passenger's coming down. Nice.
Yep.
My back off the ground.
Not quite.
Got a little bit more flex in the bag.
Coming down on your driver now. There you go.
Nope, passenger is coming off the rock now.
And one more on your driver
Yep.
here.
Nice.
A sliver away from the mud
Was it
flap.
from the mud flap?
Yeah. It didn't touch it. It was damn.
That might be a better lead rock slider. Even a Lexus can go over that.
Lexus
This was
with
the
no
first
AC.
Yeah. it actually blows hot air.
Yeah, I know.
It's even worse.
Because it's hot outside.
Yeah. Somebody's been eating it.
Yep.
That one's definitely easier.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this one might be a little tough.
Yeah. But if you get the right line, like I think if you can line your tire, just that drop right there is gonna fuck somebody. I don't know if I can line my tires up. on that rock and that rock.
Full passenger.
Thumbnail.
Alright. Come on down. Slow, 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 slow. I don't know. That's.
Yeah, this seems like maybe not the line.
Oh yeah, you can do your oil change from there.
I think you're gonna bash pretty hard.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I don't know that this is the line.
You don't think so?
I don't know.
This is like a 37-inch tire kind of deal.
If I go,
Unless you want to keep
if I go passenger more, if I back up a little bit and maybe come down. Yeah, that's spot there.
Oh, my knees.
If I can come down one side and then the other, I don't know. Fuck it, I'm gonna send it. Let me keep coming passenger a little bit.
Yeah.
And
this
try to-
tire's maybe like where that mark is there, and then obviously you'd be somewhere right here with this side.
Yeah, so ideally what will happen is the passenger tire will come down first.
The driver
So-
tire?
Excuse me, yes, thank you, yeah. Driver tire will come down first, and then the passenger, so hopefully it'll level out. And I'm hoping by that time my ass will be higher up in the air, so it'll level me out a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna go passenger more. Lee, you say you're a good mechanic, right?
I know it's a mechanic.
Yeah.
Where are they? You're not going to back up a little bit?
I think he's okay.
All right.
All right. Send it.
Beautiful. Oh shit. Maybe straight out.
Driver.
Driver?
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on.
Wow, well, I'm touching something.
I think you're on your front mid.
There you go.
Which way?
I keep going a little bit passenger.
Passenger?
Other passenger.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
All right, keep going slow. Your driver's going to drop here in a second.
All right.
Now your passenger's going to be dropping. Keep coming real slow. Way slower.
Slow, slow, slow. Nice.
Wow, yeah. Ow, that's how to do it.
Oh yeah. I'm still taking this one.
See you later.
I'm still taking this one.
Yeah.
Not interested. I like my doors.
Fine, keep going, driver, a little bit more, just a tiny bit. There you go, right there, keep going. All right, real slow, you're about to drop down on the driver. You're good, nice and easy. You got that. Time to test those new sliders. Nice.
Oh!
You touch it.
Straighten out. Straighten out.
There you go, man. You're nice and easy. All right, here comes the back, our driver set back tire. Slow. Nice. Hell yeah, man. Nice.
Yeah, I'm going on that side.
Your driver tire.
There's another vehicle coming.
Oh, is it?
Another group, yeah.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
If you want to guide him.
Keep coming. Little driver. Keep coming slow. Yeah, keep coming. Little driver more.
Nice.
Keep going. Keep coming. We're gonna skip that on the rear. Keep coming, driver. Yeah, like that.
just a hair past. Perfect, man. Cakewalk, man. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, boy. Just, well, oh, the sound. Yeah, I love that sound. We're following this line right here with your driver's side tire, and it'll level you right out. Oh, go passenger just a bit more. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, straighten up towards the driver. Just a little bit. You're good, man. Keep coming. Keep on. You're perfect. Keep going. Don't slow down. Don't speed up. Just a steady rate. Keep going. Cake, man. Cakewalk. You're good. What's that? He said it looks impossible. Yeah, I told you. It looks nuts. Dylan found the right line right off the bat. We went with it.
I've watched enough content.
Yeah, same.
I know, it looks like you're like, I don't know if I'm going to go up there.
Yeah.
So on the trail we had a Jeep come up behind us, so we pulled off to this campsite. We're gonna let them pass. They're faster, one person, bigger tires, and they're not new at this, so they're gonna go ahead and pass us, and then we'll be on our way. So.
A picture of me sitting on a shitter, like by far.
Holy cow, that's awesome.
And then there's just something about pissing off a
rock ledge, yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, there's that.
Look how long it takes before it hits the ground.
yeah, dude, this is awesome. I definitely, like, we'll pull our Jeeps right up here and camp.
He said don't go down this trail.
Yeah,
Don't
so
go
don't
down.
go.
It destroyed 2 of their vehicles.
You see that tree that's all scraped up right there? There's a reason it's all scraped up down there. Yeah, so
We're just going to reverse back down.
Anyway.
yeah,
He
but
said take
that
this.
one is okay.
That one right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you'll just you'll have to swing that turn a little bit wide, but you'll be fine.
Oh, cool.
It'll work.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Put that rear locker on.
Come a little bit driver, maybe. Wait a second. Keep going back a little bit. Like just an inch. All right, now you turn driver a little bit.
Hey, you got a lock and dip.
Did you lock
Turn
up?
your dip on.
Did you lock up?
Yeah, lock it up. Then go. Light solid yet? Run it. Ah. Give it a little bit. Back it up like a little bit and give it more beans.
Come driver. Jeremiah, you came up right here.
Yeah, that's the same spot that he got stuck and you backed him up.
Am I drop? Can I back up further or no?
Yep. Okay, your front's gonna drop. All right, you're right on that, so.
If you come like right over here, I think you'll have an easier time.
Keep going back.
Yeah, keep going.
Your
Keep
backs
going
are gonna drop.
There you go. Keep going a little further than that. A little further. And then start going driver. And then, no, stop. Go driver. Come up this way. Keep going driver. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah. Back it up. Just, what's that?
He's got to come this way a little to catch this rock.
Your front's gonna drop.
Oh, I got you.
You've got to be over this way just a little.
All right, back up about 2 or 3 feet. A little further. A
Okay,
little further, just a tiny bit more.
your back's gonna drop right there.
All right. Now come passenger. There you go. Come on, back. Good, good, good. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're good. All right, here's the big one. I think I just sent it. You kind of climb right up it. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. Got it. There you go. So a little driver. Get straight and right on. Good. Keep going. Good, good, good. Little driver. Slow down, slow down. Little driver. Slow. Come. Good. Good. Driver. There you go. Keep coming. All right. Now you're on the rock. This is the big rock you got to be able to catch. I would back up just about 5 or 6 inches. Give it a little bit more gas and keep coming. Keep going a little further back.
He's gonna fall off this rock and lose.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's what Dylan had to keep doing too. So go ahead and get all the way off that back rock. Back it up just a bit, and you're on the right line. There you go. A little further. Good. Okay. Now, when you get above that back one, just keep going and keep the momentum to get above this one too. Okay.
My wheel's straight.
Yeah. Your wheels are. Turn a little bit more driver. Right there. Kind of correct it back. Go back to driver. Right there. Keep it there. Come back. You got it. Give it the gas. Good. Keep gassing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Here's the bump. You got it. You got it.
Keep going.
Good. Go driver. Go driver. You're gonna need to back it up a bit.
Yeah.
Back it up. Back it up.
I think he's gonna have to get all the way down off that and then come right over this way more.
Yeah. So turn passenger all the way. Back up about a half a foot. Keep going, keep going, keep going. A little more. Okay, now straighten it out, go driver. There you go. It's the same big hill again. Go driver a bit more. Right there, good. All right, you're gonna have to give it a gas again and keep driver a little more this time. Go, 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 go. Oh, you got it, go.
That first initial bump,
Yeah.
driving through it.
Yeah, you had it. You're gonna back it up, do it one more time, bud. Shit, I could almost gone up there. One more time, there you go. Yeah, all right, no, go passenger just a bit. Right there, that's the line. All right, when you feel that initial bump, keep going. Slow, come. Go, 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 go. All right, nice. Keep coming my way. There you go.
I'll back up a little bit.
I would back
up
and give it a bump again.
Straight back.
Just enough to get some momentum. I think that's good. I would drive it more momentum forward.
Hit it.
There you go. Nice. You got it, bud. All right. Go a little bit more passenger and straighten up a little bit more on this. There you go. Now go driver. That's it. All right. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right. Go. That's it, man. That's it. Nice. There you go. All right. Go passenger a little more and you're good to go, buddy.
I'd say we just stick with the line.
Yeah.
know that works.
Back it up a bit,
Slow.
bud. Give it a little bit more gas.
Slow.
Move. Come. Back it up. A little more. All right, turn driver. All right, go ahead and give it a little bit more gas. There, keep going. There you go. Good. Keep going. Nice. There you go. Yeah. Woo! You got it up easy. I knew it. That was going to come up easy. All right, driver a little bit. That's plenty. Straighten out. Right there. All right, give it gas. Go. No problem. Nice. You're good. You're on the perfect line, bud. Keep going straight. All right, go a little passenger. There you go. Keep going. Give it gas. You got it. Come. Good. Keep coming. Nice. Keep coming. Oh. Driver. There you go. You got it.
Yep.
Got it.
Holy shit.
Right.
He slid over here, Dylan.
Come a
His
little.
back tire
driver.
came up over there.
There you go. That's it. Come on. All right. And gas, 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 gas. There you go, man. Keep it up. Gas. That's it. Nice.
Alright, I think we made it to camp for today. We pretty much set up. We got lunch going. And we're going to start making some sausage and onions and stuff.
No onions.
No onions, just sausage? Alright, we're back. My SD card filled up with storage that I was using. It was like 164 gigabytes. So I took the one out of my dash cam and here we are. So I thought I was going to have to record on my phone, but I don't. But yeah, we're all set up. We're hanging out and my dad's cooking some sausage right now for us. All the other guys, they already ate. It's pretty cool. Zach's scavenging some firewood because we're running a little low. He's just grabbing some deadfall. Nothing crazy, but yeah, we're just all hanging out and yeah, having a good time, catching up, talking about the trail, all that stuff. So we saw this FJ go that way and then come back, and I think he's coming to meet us. So I don't know. We'll see.
I think he can squeeze by if he's looking to. I don't know. Nothing sweet. Maybe not.
Is it manual?
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Oh, okay.
Right now I'm on Pax River.
Oh, okay. All right. You're still active then.
So sweet.
We're all Central New York.
What the fuck is this?
Wheel?
My wife's
Triple locked.
Yeah, is this
Triple bead lock.
Yeah, they're fake.
How many of them? You got 3, man. Like, you got 3 beadlocks on this thing. They're all fake? Man.
AMC for the win.
KMC, man.
Look at that. Diesel heater on the side, ready to go.
And it's all like rhino line,
running
right?
out of the battery.
That's awesome.
Oh, I didn't realize that was a battery.
The passenger side. You'll see it's like
Got
you'll see
solar.
it's kind of like wavy.
Oh,
I went
nice.
to Potts Mountain. My buddy blew his tire out.
Yeah.
So trying to back out and there was
Is this rhino liner?
in my mirror. So
It's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a open brand.
3 miles I do, but I'm not going to do.
You just gotta drive up to Vermont.
now you can see the pickup you were asking about. Being it's no longer in the tank.
Tyler.
Did it not sound like a seagull and a beagle?
Dylan, I like the fit
You
right
seem
now.
unimpressed.
Check it out.
Alright, sun went down. It is not raining right now, which is pretty cool.
Is that your bench page? You like it?
Yeah. Tony donated some hamburgers and stuff, and he actually brought his Blackstone, so we're going to use that because I left mine at home. So we're chefing up on Tony's stuff right now. We were just going to have ramen, and he broke out all this cheesy sausage and stuff, so cook it up and just have a big smorgasbord.
I love them.
What are you making, Greer?
Burgers.
Burgers?
Yeah, and I made that mac salad from earlier, so
That's awesome.
we're just running with it.
Yeah, that's awesome. The rain's picking up again. It's like 10 something at night. But we're just gonna pick up, put stuff away, head to bed, and then yeah, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. and we're all pretty much packing up. Everything's wet, so it's gonna be exciting to get home and dry everything out. But yeah, it rained a little bit last night. Bird was up again, so that's cool. Everything's all packed up. Trucks are running, warming up, and then we're gonna go to the boat launch to air up our tires say our goodbyes to everyone and go our separate ways to head home. Tony brought us to this boat launch. It's pretty cool. There's some cool campsites on the way. The lake is pretty neat. I checked it out. Yeah, we're airing up right now, and then we're gonna hit the road. We got about 8 hours home, so we'll be getting home around 5, I think. So.
Do you have to like pay by the day? Or?
I'll get out at 81. So.
It's always good seeing you.
See ya.
Later, buddy.
Early afternoon,
Yeah.
afternoon.
Later, man. Keep kicking ass, man. Yeah, man. Sounds like you are anyway.
We're on the road home, and we have about 3 hours left. We're gonna get home around 4 o'clock. This trip was amazing. We met a new friend, which is cool. We got to see some old friends, and I was just very satisfied with everything that happened. We did some stuff that I didn't think my truck was capable of, and I don't think we thought the Surf or the Lexus were capable of either. I know some of the footage probably isn't the best, but I was just trying to live in the moment rather than trying to catch everything on film. I think that we are definitely going to be coming back, and we might hit that again. We might try some different stuff. When we come back, I will definitely have my truck more equipped for that kind of stuff, such as rock sliders and maybe a high clearance bumper. But thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next videos.